Creating reference geometry is an important part of modeling in SOLIDWORKS, but it can become time-consuming constantly navigating to the command manager every time a reference plane needs to be added. Well, what if we could create a new plane directly from the graphics area? Luckily, SOLIDWORKS has us covered, and with just a quick keyboard shortcut, we can quickly create new reference planes in the graphics area. Let's find out how in this 2-minute tech tip. To create a plane directly from the graphics area, we must first have the plane selected in our feature tree to highlight it. Some planes might not be visible, so if you're not sure where the plane you want to reference is, make sure you turn on the plane's visibility in both the feature tree and the Hide Show menu. If you look at the feature tree, you'll notice the planes are either colored or grayed out, indicating they're being shown or hidden. Although the plane may be set to show in the feature tree, it is important to check the View Hide Show menu as well to ensure the reference planes are set to show. You can also find this top-level Hide Show icon in the heads-up toolbar found at the top of the graphics area. Another way to see all reference planes is by pressing the Q key on your keyboard. This will show all of the reference planes that are available, and they can be hidden again by clicking in the graphics area. Once you've located the plane that you want to reference, select it to highlight it. When the colored border appears, place your cursor directly on top of the border and hold Control on your keyboard. While holding Control, click the outside border of the plane and drag it in either direction. By default, the distance constraint will be selected, and you can type in the desired distance if you want to create an offset plane. But just because the distance option is selected by default does not mean you're constrained to this option. Now that the plane command is open, you can change your constraints, add new references, or even replace the original reference. So it's just as capable as activating the plane command if we were to activate it from the command manager. The control-click method for creating new planes is a fast and easy way to make new reference planes in just a few clicks. For more information on reference geometry such as planes, axes, and coordinate systems, check out our SOLIDWORKS Essentials 4-part design course. There you will find great examples on how to create all different types of reference geometry. Thanks for watching.